So I'm recording there, I'm
Right.
recording there, I'm recording down there. This one I can't make work. The audio's working. All right, just bear with me. So how you been?
I've been looking forward to this, to be absolutely honest. Yeah.
So you had some time in the Focus
four-wheel
RS.
drive against a one-wheel drive.
Well,
Really.
yeah, it's actually. So I drove. I'm completely deactivated. So I have no driver aids at all. There's
Really?
no traction assistance.
That's brave.
Nothing to catch me, and I've just built into it. And do you know what? I don't feel like I need a locking rear diff.
Well, that's an interesting.
And I bought it thinking it's a must-have. I'm sure on the road, if I want to get the back of the car moving, there'll be a benefit. And out of low-speed turns, there'll be more traction. But I don't really struggle for traction out of low-speed turns because I always squeeze and get straight and then give it some. This is frustrating. Mind you, this is my first ever GoPro, so there is some warmth there. What is that making that noise? Oh, it's an old Merc. Not old Merc. Modern Merc. Okay, Michael. Someone's taken out the turning board. It's there. Well, that's going to upset a few people.
Christ, it is quick, isn't it? Jeepers.
Oh, it goes all right.
Yeah.
It does. See, he was staying away. He's staying over to the right to stop tripping them. They've got a noise meter on the outside of the circuit there, so
Right.
he'll come out of that corner and go over to the right to stay away from it.
Is that why the pipes are turned?
Yeah, he's got additional silencing on the back. But even with that, he's clearly close to the limit.
Because I noticed the pipes are pointing right.
Yeah, well, he's just got some additional silencers on there, so it's not about aesthetics.
That's very good, you know. I'm impressed with that, considering it's not four-wheel drive.
It's got some traction, hasn't it?
Yeah, got some real grunt.
I see an indicator from this chap. Okay. Is it going to let me go? No, it's not. It's got indicators. I much prefer it if you indicate it.
I have to say, Mark, you have a very good eye for the line,
Yeah, but
which he doesn't.
But I think he's managing the noise meters.
Oh, really?
And also, you've got to bear in mind, I've done probably 1,000 laps here.
Oh, really? Have you done
Well,
that?
we were working it out earlier. I reckon I've done 1,000 laps around.
Really?
This circuit.
Have you?
So my circuit knowledge flatters me.
I'm going to say it's amazing. I have to say, very good. I like that. That's very good for one-wheel drive.
It's all right, isn't it?
Yeah, very good.
It's pointless going flat through here at the moment because of what's ahead.
Very good.
So yeah, the difference this time out in this is that I'm driving it like a BMW,
Right.
not trying to drive it like I used to drive the Focus.
Right.
Seems to have
I have to
got a
say,
bit
it feels
overcast.
quite quick.
It's very quick in a straight line.
Yeah,
It doesn't
feels-
have that grip through a corner. That
Well,
the
I don't
RS
know.
had.
I think that's very deceptive, you know.
But I need to drop a few more PSI out of the tyres, so hopefully we can go now. Yep.
I have to say, I would be very upset if I saw something like this in a Carrera's window with the kind of power and
it's a 120
ability that's got on traction, well, in theory, on a track.
Nice. Oh, really?
Very good.
Ooh,
Very,
he's not
very good.
comfortable.
I like that.
They're going to let me go
He's
now?
gonna have
Yes,
to.
he is.
I don't think he's got enough gonads personally. Very nice. I wouldn't have thought that would have held like that, you know.
No, I know, it's good, isn't it?
It's
It's
really
got
quite
incredible
extraordinary.
traction.
Very good.
Goes okay, doesn't it?
Yeah, wonderful. Absolutely amazing. I can't believe that it actually drives this well with that kind of diff on it.
It does, doesn't it? It's got really, really good traction.
It hops a little bit,
Which
but you'd expect that on that kind of...
To me, it's the car letting you know what's going on. You know, people say you should fit springs and spacers, and I drove my friend Regis last week. Well, no, actually not last weekend. It was about 6 weeks ago, and it does make the car feel different. But do you know what? As I keep saying, I'm happy living with the compromises this car has on track. But actually, now that I'm not expecting it to be a Focus RS,
It's very
not
good.
that compromised.
It's very, very
To
good.
me, I mean, I'm getting a bit of a sweat on, but and if I gave it a bootful here, we'd go round. But if you squeeze it all the way, nothing
Very good. I
wrong
like
with that at all.
I like the way it handles actually. What was that, 140?
I don't know.
Yeah, I think it was close to.
I managed about 138 last time. I keep thinking it's raining, but it's all these bugs, isn't it?
Yeah, the bugs are dying.
I don't think there's much left in the tyres there.
Great bit of cornering, like that.
Look at it, just so nice.
Look in your mirror, you
He's enjoying his car, same as all of us. Yeah. No, it is frustrating when people don't,
Yeah, I know.
don't pay attention.
They're just not paying attention.
And there we go. That was over quickly.
Yeah, I'm going to say. Great bit of driving, Mark. Really impressive.
And let's get into sixth and slow it all down again.
Very impressive car.
I'm really glad you could come along again, Michael, and I could get you in. And I'll tell you what really has really helped me is that session one I did with traction off. See, last time when I turned the traction off, I was a bit scared of it.
I'm sure you were.
By going out session 1 with it off, and then just building up, like my Clio Cup never had ABS or traction control,
No.
but I never felt scared of
But
that.
it's
the Focus, I turned it off from day 1, from session 1. But this,
I have to say, I was expecting less grip. Okay, it hops a little bit under braking, of course, when you're doing a redirection. But I have to say, it's a very impressive car. Very impressive.
and you've got to remember as well that chassis-wise, this is nothing special. It's unless someone can correct me if I'm wrong, but I don't think I am. It's nothing special. It's a standard 1 Series, and it's got M Sport springs and dampers on, which
Right.
are just firmer to make it feel sporty. So what makes it feel good is just the natural rightness of the kind of well-balanced front to rear, rear-wheel drive chassis.
Yeah, sure.
And
They have always said that that's the best
well,
driving.
exactly, the ultimate driving
Yeah.
experience, which is why with the new one, they possibly have killed it going front-wheel drive and four-wheel drive. But my understanding is, not having driven a variety of rear-wheel drive cars, in fact only really this one and my first ever car, is that it's just right. It just feels right. I'll tell you what's really nice is how it feels in my head is that it's my right foot and the back wheels pushing us along, and that gives me control and it gives me options, and it makes you focus on driving the car and being smooth, because if you give it a bit too much at the wrong moment, it's gonna be a painful mistake. Okay, apart from like this car,
I have to say,
we overtook everyone.
you didn't clip that. I don't know, because you were pretty tight on that.
Again, 1,000 laps, Michael.
Yeah, I'm
I
going to
kinda-
say
I
it's
kinda
what
know,
does it for you, know.
I'm kind of,
No.
like I say, it does flatter me.
So how many more times are you going to go out?
Well, I'm going to go out every half an hour.
Oh, right.
I'm going to drive this until either the car can't take any more, or until they tell me to go home.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Oh,
And
really?
they'll run until 5 o'clock.
Right.
Um,
Oh, gosh, you'll get
You know,
in a...
these days aren't cheap.
No, I know,
want
you
to
know
get
they are.
maximum value from it, and,
No.
and I'm going to. And potentially there's a risk by only leaving it 15 minutes in between sessions. Doing that in my RS killed it. Will it kill this?
It certainly did.
Maybe it will.
Yeah, it
We'll
certainly
find out.
did.